Hello everyone, welcome to this very short video where I would like to show you this statue that I just printed. It is the statue of the Slavic God Radegast, god of hospitality and plenty, and is also a patron of our very great beer Radegast. Anyway, this is a 40 centimeters tall statue with a custom stand, and I printed it on my Longer LK5 printer, and I have to say I'm really astonished by the quality of the result. Just take a look. No stringing at all. All the details there are, well, astonishing. It was very long print. The statue was some 42 hours. And the stand was I believe 15 hours. Don't know it from the top of my hand right now because it was printed overnight, but yeah, just take a look. Absolutely no stringing, and the quality of the surface is great. It's far better than I have even expected. So yeah, the Longer just proved that it knows its shit. Okay, as I said, it will be very quick video. So yeah, that's it. Link for the model and for the printer are below. Have a very nice day and bye bye.